What is it, Avery?
iPhone.
Oh, is it my iPhone?
Yeah.
What are you playing?
iPhone.
Are you playing with the kitchen?
And
Can you cook me something to eat?
tea.
Oh, can I have some tea? May I have some tea? Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Thank you. Here, will you wash my cup in the sink, please? Will you wash my cup in the sink? Uh-oh. Are you going to cook something? Yeah? Here, you want to make some eggs? Look. There. Now you can make some eggs. Or some peas. Here, you can make some peas in here. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like your new toys? Avery, can you say, thanks, Lily? Say, I like it.
I like it.